Next topic is representation of irrational numbers on real number line. Actually, we always use the word number line, and that number line is called real number line because all the real numbers are on that number line, so it is called the real number line. Irrational numbers we are going to represent on the number line. First, I am taking root 2. Then, how to represent root 2 on the number line? In the previous classes, we have represent 2, which is natural number. It is also whole number, integer. We have represent on this number line. You know already how to represent. Same in class 8, we have represent 2 by 7, means rational numbers we have represent on the number line. I think all of you know how to represent. Now this time we are going to represent irrational numbers on the number line. Then how to represent it? For this first step, actually there are so many methods, 3-4 methods are there to represent this, but we will take easy method. Root 2. We will split the number under the root like this. 2 can be split into 1 plus 1. Actually, we will split the number into the numbers such that their number should be a perfect square number. Here 2 is 1 plus 1. 1 is a perfect square number. So 1 can be written as 1 square. Again second 1 square. And we know that the value of root 2 is 1.414. It means it will lie between 1 and 2. For this we will make a number line. We will take 0, 1, 2 on the number line. Not 3, 4, 5 because we know that 1.4 it will be between 1 and 2. For this we will take a uniform distance between the numbers. Means you will not take non-uniform, for example 0, 1, then here 2. It is wrong. It should be proper. So how to plot irrational number? This is one. First one, we will take 1 on the number line. मतलब हम 0 से 1 तक चलेंगे पहले, तो 1 यहाँ तक प्लॉट हो गया हमारा. And here we will make an angle of 90 degree. Again we will take 1 here, 1 unit, same distance, length as from 0 to 1. Same distance we will take with the help of compass. This time I don't have, but you will use compass here, and you will take again 1 unit. Here 1, again 1. This one is also completed. Now let us, this point is A. We will join point A to 0 here. Clear? We will join this. Actually this distance is root 2. How it is root 2? See here, if I am giving 0 as a point B, 1 as a point C, and A already we have taken. So A, B, C, this is a right angle triangle, and you know that this is called base, this is perpendicular, and this is hypotenuse. And what is the formula? Pythagoras property, what is? H square means hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. It is the property. Perpendicular is 1, 1 square. Base is 1, 1 square. 1 square is 1, 1 plus 1. This is 2. It means hypotenuse square is equal to 2. So hypotenuse is root 2. Actually this square in the left hand side square, so we are taking square root on both side, तो यहाँ square root आ जाएगा, तो hypotenuse, and this is hypotenuse, so it is root 2. But this root 2 we have to represent on the number line, means here should it be. So what we will do, we will take a compass, we will take its needle here and pencil here, and we will take an arc with the help of the compass like this type, and whatever it will cut the number line at what point, actually that point is root 2. So this is the way to represent the root 2, means irrational number on the number line. Now let us take the another example, root 3. Same, the first step is to split root 3, 1 plus 1 plus 1. Actually 3 can also be split 2 plus 1, but 2 is not a perfect square number, because I have told in फर्स्ट पार्ट कि हम ऐसे स्प्लिट करेंगे कि दोनों के दोनों परफेक्ट स्क्वायर हो. अगर हमने 2 + 1 में कर दिया तो 2 तो परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नहीं है, तो इसको इजी बनाने के लिए हम इसको 2 को फिर अगेन 1 + 1 में ही करेंगे. तो मैंने ऑलरेडी इसको किया हुआ है 1 + 1 + 1 विच इज इक्वल टू 1 स्क्वायर + 1 स्क्वायर + 1 स्क्वायर, और रूट 3 वैल्यू इज 1.732 लाइक दैट. इट मीन्स अगेन इट विल कम बिटवीन 1 and 2. Same, from 0 to 1, first step if we are going here, 1 is here, same I am taking here point B, here C, this is point C. Again with the help of the compass we will make another right angle triangle, and same second one we will cut taking 1 unit length. I am taking it as a point A, then again I will join it from 0, 1 1, and you know that it is root 2. It means here up to this we have plot root 2, but not on the number line. Now the same way as we have done in the previous question, same this is root 2, and let us it is point D, but हमें represent करना है root 3, and we are left with again 1. So at the point D again we will make another right angle, same perpendicular, we will take 1 unit length, because 1 was pending, एक 1 हमारा बचा हुआ था, तो रूट 2 के ऊपर मतलब जो एक बनता जाएगा देन उससे आगे फिर राइट एंगल, फिर वो बनेगा, फिर उससे राइट आगे, तो इस तरीके से हम करेंगे. E point, then we will join 0 to E. Actually what is this, from B to point D अगर हम ध्यान से देखें तो this is root 2. अब root 2 वही सेम बेस का स्क्वायर प्लस ये, because EBD again right angle triangle we are having, तो root 2 स्क्वायर प्लस ये फिर 1 लिया था हमने 1 स्क्वायर अंडर द रूट विच इज इक्वल टू हाइपोटेनियस. सेम ये कट गया तो 2 + 1 अगेन रूट 3 वी विल गेट. इट मीन्स जो ये हमारी अब जो नई लाइन बनी है दिस इज रूट 3. 0 to E we will take a compass, we will make another arc, and it will cut the number line before 2, and this point will be root 3. Now we are taking root 5. I have split root 5 as 4 plus 1. Why? You know the reason, because in already question number 2 I have told we will split the number into the numbers that they should be perfect square. Now we know that 4 is perfect square number. So I have split into 4 plus 1. 4 can be written as 2 square plus 1 square. Otherwise we can also take root 5 is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. 5 times 1 we can write, but it will be a long method. As you have seen in root 3, we have to draw 2 right angle triangle. ये इट वॉज कंपल्सरी इन रूट 3, क्योंकि रूट 3 में अगर हम देखें परफेक्ट स्क्वायर, वैसे रूट 2 का स्क्वायर बन रहा था, बट हमने कुछ बच्चों को क्या पता ये समझ में आया, कुछ को नहीं, तो इसलिए हमने इसको 1 प्लस 1 प्लस 1 में ही किया था. बट रूट 5 के लिए कंपल्सरी नहीं है, क्योंकि रूट 5 से पहले 4 आ रहा है जो कि परफेक्ट स्क्वायर है. अगर हम इसको इस तरीके से बनाएंगे, देन वी हैव टू draw four right angle triangles, because 4 3 2 right angle triangles, 5 4 right angle triangles. Same if we will draw root 8 like 1 plus 1 plus, then 7 right angle triangles we have to draw, so it will be a lengthy method. So we have converted is 4 plus 1. It is also right. And the root 5 is 2.236 value. It means its value will be between 2 and 3. So I have taken 0 1 2 3, not 4 5 6, because I know that my answer will be 2 and in between 2 and 3. So I have taken this. Same, the uniform width we will do in each and every question, whatever be the question. Okay, here 2 square, actually the bigger number we will take first. 2 square is written here. It means from 0 to 2, not 1. 2. Here I am taking same as B, and this is C. I am taking 2 step here, not 1, 2 step I am taking. Then again the same procedure. With the help of the compass, we will make a right angle. We will take, now 1 is left. From here to here, 2 unit we have taken. On 2, we will draw a right angle. Same 1, we will cut 1 unit length. It will be A. We will join 0 to A. This is 2 1. Again same, अगर मैं बात करूँ base square plus perpendicular square under the root, which is equal to root 5. This is root 5, but not here. We have to draw on the number line. Same with the help of the compass, taking a radius root 5. Here we will cut like this with the help of compass, like this, and this point will be root 5. I think the concept is clear to you. In this way we can represent root 7, root 8, root 11 and so on.